Hey, so you want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face? Good news, you absolutely don't have to. Some of the biggest channels on YouTube are completely faceless and still pull in millions of views. So how do you do it? Let's break it down step by step. First, pick your niche. Choose something you're genuinely interested in. Faceless channels work great for tutorials and how-tos, product reviews, story narration, or commentary, gaming videos, motivational content, or tech and gadget overviews. Next, decide what visuals you'll use. Since you won't be on camera, your visuals matter even more. You can use screen recordings if you're teaching something on a computer, stock footage or photos from sites like Pexels or Pixabay. You can also create animations or slideshows using tools like Canva or CapCut. If you're doing gaming content, use gameplay footage. And if you want something more custom, you can even hire someone on Fiverr to make simple animations for you. Then record your voice. Use your own voice if you're comfortable. If not, you can try AI voices like Elevan Labs or CapCut's built-in options, or hire a voice actor on Fiverr for cheap. Just make sure the audio is clear. People will forgive average visuals, but not bad audio. After that, edit your video. Cut out any long pauses, ums, or awkward spots. Keep it snappy so viewers stay engaged. Add captions or simple text on screen to highlight key points, then create a strong title and thumbnail. These two things decide if someone clicks your video or not. Use bold, clear text in thumbnails and keep the design simple. Make your title promise a clear benefit, like 5 ways to make money on YouTube without showing your face, or how I built a faceless channel to 10,000 subscribers. Post at least once a week so YouTube knows your channel is active. Over time, the algorithm will start recommending your videos. Some bonus tips. Use royalty-free music to keep it engaging. Add a quick call to action, like subscribe for more at the end, and check your analytics to see what's working and double down on it. So that's how you start a faceless YouTube channel. Pick a niche, create visuals, add your voice, and keep posting. In a few months, you'll be amazed at how far you've come. All right, now go make your first video.